Our story begins in 1983, when Mark and Christine Gibson opened Gibson's Heating and Plumbing in Waterloo, Indiana. Their goal was simple: to provide each and every Gibson's customer with unparalleled customer service. Unsurprisingly, they quickly earned a reputation as a people-first business that went above and beyond for their customers and community. But there's a secret sauce behind Gibson's not-so-secret customer service: training. More specifically, an on-campus 6,000 square foot training center, packed with HVAC units, furnaces, and knowledgeable people. A place where Gibson's employees can develop not only their technical skills, but also their interpersonal skills, ensuring they communicate with customers as skillfully as they install outdoor units. But most importantly, it's a place where people can afford to make mistakes. As Mark Gibson so eloquently put it, we want people to fail in here so they succeed out there, and succeed they have. As of today, Gibson's can take someone with little to no technical skills and have them out in the field assisting customers in just 6 months. When word of this training Taj Mahal reached other American Standard dealers, Mark invited them to have a look for themselves. Why? Well, first, because it never hurts to get outside opinions, but also because building up those around you is a big part of building a higher standard.